The way you see yourself changes everything. Not the way people see you, not the way your past describes you, not the way your failures made you feel, the way you see you. Because if you keep seeing yourself as weak, you will move like someone weak. If you keep seeing yourself as a failure, you will stop trying before the fight even begins. If you keep seeing yourself as someone who is not enough, you will keep accepting less than you deserve. Your life begins to change when the image inside your mind begins to change.
Listen, you have been carrying an old version of yourself for too long. The version that failed, the version that got rejected, the version that wasted time, the version that made mistakes, the version that people laughed at. But that version is not your final identity. That was a chapter, not your whole story. Stop introducing yourself to your future using the pain of your past.
Sometimes the hardest prison to escape is not the opinion of other people. It is the opinion you have built about yourself. You tell yourself, I am not smart enough. I am not strong enough. I always fail. I am not the kind of person who can succeed. And slowly, those words become walls, not because they are true, but because you repeated them until your mind accepted them.
So stop speaking weakness over your own life. Stop calling yourself lazy when you are really undisciplined and capable of changing. Stop calling yourself broken when you are healing. Stop calling yourself a failure when you are still in the middle of the process. You are not finished. You are not stuck. You are not the worst thing that happened to you. So stop living like you are.
There is a difference between being honest and being cruel to yourself. Yes, admit your mistakes. Yes, face your weaknesses. Yes, accept where you need to improve. But do not turn every mistake into a life sentence. You can say, I failed, without saying, I am a failure. You can say, I lost focus, without saying, I am useless. You can say, I am struggling, without saying, I cannot do this.
Your words matter. The way you talk to yourself matters, because your mind is always listening. If you keep telling yourself you cannot, your mind will look for reasons to stop. If you keep telling yourself you are not enough, your actions will become small. If you keep telling yourself nothing will change, you will stop doing the things that could change everything. So change the conversation inside your head.
Maybe nobody believed in you when you needed it most. Maybe people reminded you of your mistakes more than your potential. Maybe you grew up feeling unseen, unheard, or underestimated. That pain is real, but you cannot spend the rest of your life waiting for the people who broke your confidence to come back and rebuild it. At some point, you must become the voice you needed.
Stop waiting for someone to clap before you believe you are valuable. Stop waiting for validation before you take action. Stop waiting for people to approve the version of you that is trying to grow. They may not see it yet, fine. They may not understand it yet, fine. They may still judge you by your past, fine. But you do not need their permission to become different.
The new version of you will not appear all at once. You build that version through proof, small proof, private proof, daily proof. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you change the way you see yourself. Every time you finish what you started, you change the way you see yourself. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you change the way you see yourself.
Confidence is not magic. Confidence is evidence. You cannot just think your way into believing you are strong. You must show yourself strength. Wake up when you said you would. Do the work you keep avoiding. Train your body. Control your reactions. Finish the task. Walk away from what disrespects you. Give yourself evidence that you are not who you used to be.
And be patient with the process. When you have spent years doubting yourself, you may not believe in yourself overnight. That is okay. Start by acting like someone worth respecting. Then repeat it again and again and again. One day your mind will catch up to your actions, and you will realize you are no longer pretending to be stronger. You became stronger.
But nothing changes if you keep protecting the old identity. Stop saying, that is just who I am. No, that is who you practice being. That is who pain trained you to become. That is who fear convinced you to accept. But you can train differently. You can think differently. You can move differently. You can become someone new.
Do not let one season define you. Do not let one failure name you. Do not let one person's rejection become the mirror you look into every day. You are more than what they saw. You are more than what you lost. You are more than the version of you that broke down in silence. There is still something powerful inside you. Maybe quiet, maybe tired, maybe buried, but still alive.
So start seeing yourself as someone who can come back, someone who can learn, someone who can improve, someone who can rebuild, someone who can be trusted, someone who can stand again after falling. Do not wait until the world believes it. Believe it enough to act. Act enough to create proof. Create enough proof until nobody can deny it, including you.
You do not become new by hating the old version of yourself. You become new by understanding them. That version survived with the knowledge they had. That version made mistakes. That version carried pain. That version did not always know better. Forgive that version, but do not remain that version.
From today, stop shrinking, stop hiding, stop speaking like you are defeated, stop walking like you have already lost. Lift your head, straighten your back, take responsibility, do the work, keep the promise, build the proof. You are not here to keep repeating the same weak story. You are here to rewrite it.
One day you will look in the mirror and you will not see the old shame anymore. You will not see only failure. You will not see only fear. You will see someone who fought back, someone who changed, someone who became stronger in private. And that moment will be worth every difficult step.
So change the way you see you. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are still becoming. Not because you never failed, but because failure did not finish you. Not because everyone believes in you, but because you finally decided to believe in yourself.
Look at yourself differently. Speak to yourself differently. Move differently. Choose differently. And your life will begin to change differently. Because the moment you stop seeing yourself as broken and start seeing yourself as building, everything changes. You are not done. You are becoming. And this time, you are going to become someone you respect.